Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the MOVO WMX-2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's actually been a while since I've done like any type of unboxing video, probably since the Pixel 6a, which I have right here in this corner next to the Pixel 7a. But, again, I did reach out to MOVO because they've sent me out several microphones and like lavaliere mics, etc. like that. And I do have a mic that I do podcasting and my stuff here with, or my live streams, and I use that. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys this again. A shout out to MOVO Photo for sending this out. This is the MOVO WMX-2. And again, it is a dual channel microphone wireless lav system. So let's get this going, guys. I mean, let's take a look at the back really quick. And again, what's in the box? Again, WMX2 receiver with the belt clip, transmitter with the belt clip with the 3.5 millimeter TRS cables, hard shell casing. So again, we're gonna talk more about this. Just so you guys know, I am filming on the Pixel 5a right now, so I will be using these in conjunction with the test here in just a bit. So let's go ahead and get this open for you guys. And I've always enjoyed unboxing MOVO products because they always box everything up really nice. I'm gonna tell you that much. Like, most of their stuff that they send me or I've gotten from them, packaging wise, it's amazing and I have no issues with it. Okay, I guess I did it the wrong way. It was supposed to be the other way. That's okay. So here is, let's get this open really quick. Wow, okay. So shout out to, again, MOVO for sending this out, MOVO Photo. And again, this looks like a charging case also, or a dock or something like that. So you can see here, it does have a USB Type-C port with, it looks like the power area over here, and there's the open button there. So let's go ahead and press that open button. See if it just opens up. Wow, it just opens up. Okay, just like that. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna say about this is I really like that it does come with this case, because it does save you time from having to connect both of these separately as far as the actual charging. I've had other lav systems in the past where you would get the transmitter and the receiver and you would have to plug both of them in separately. So the fact that MOVO thought about this and it gave you basically a little charging dock for both devices is pretty amazing. So I want to say, if you guys look at this one says RX, this one says TX. I want to say this is the transmitter, this is the receiver, so obviously easy to recognize. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So again, take advantage of executive exclusive offers, excuse me, from our software partners. So you can click this QR code, if you guys can see that. Go create, scan me, and I will be leaving affiliate links in the description down below, so you guys can check this out as well. So again, that does help out the creator, myself, as far as sharing the item, because if you purchase the item using the link I give you guys, then of course I do get a small kickback, and again, in the end, it does help out the channel. So again, here is just a few more items here. Obviously the instruction manual, which I will most likely look at if I can't get this figured out on the first try. MOVO sticker. I'm probably gonna put this on my truck. I have one posted on my computer over here, but okay, there's nothing else there. Let's see what's inside this little satchel bag here. And again, okay, looks like we do have a few little connectors here. So it looks like a lav mic setup. Looks like the little poofy things. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm hoping that all of this stuff is recyclable materials, you know what I mean? I wouldn't think it wouldn't be, obviously, but it looks like it comes with like a little go puff, and this is a clip, so you can actually connect the the stuff there to the receiver. Of course, the little wind noise thingy, or like the thing for the wind, so that you won't hear like the wind as bad. And of course, the little mic puffs or whatever for, I guess, what else it looks like, it's coming with like an extension for the transmitter and receiver. So of course, inside the bag you get all the receivers, right? You get the charging cable, you get the one that's, let's see, you get microphone. And I love how they label these, because sometimes you don't really know which is going where. So one's going to connect to the microphone. This one is for smartphone, as you can see. So again, this one most likely is probably for the non-smartphones, like just a regular camera. Now there's no label on this one, surprisingly, but the reason why you had to kind of separate the one that has like a cell phone connection is because these connectors are actually different. If you can see there, this one again goes to the transmitter, this one actually goes to the phone. The phone connector actually, again, let me see if I can get that to focus there, has the 3 little lines there, which the other one only has like 2. So, and again, I know there's a difference. I forgot what the difference was exactly. I've had other lav systems set up. Okay, that's just that. And of course the transmitters themselves. So let's see, let's go ahead and get this connected. So again, you can see here on top, this one, actually no, this one is this one is the one that you talk into. So transmitter, the receiver. So this one would actually be connected to whatever device you're connecting it to, like a smartphone or camera. You would connect this version of it to it. It does have a headphone jack so that you can actually listen in. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Again, I know my lighting's not that great, but this one does have a headphone jack. That way you can hear it. So if your camera doesn't have that ability, and of course you can see on top here that there is the microphone there. Now these little clip-on things I'm not a big fan on. I've had other lav sets there you kind of just clip it on. Let's see it. Let's try that out. Not very easy. I don't know how this one's gonna work exactly, but you know, it's more for outside use, right? And like, oh, it actually did plug in. It's got like a little afro here. So, and it does have a clip, so you know, you can clip this to your shirt or again to your mic. And of course you can see down here that it does have the little area for the charging down here for the dock here. You can see that each dock has the little three-prong charging area, so I'm gonna eventually look at that. And again, of course, this one the same thing. So let's go ahead and let's get this tested out. And again, I'm gonna do a test where I'm using the phone's internal microphone, using like a I guess a front facing shot, and then I'll do a sample with just the sound here. So you guys know I like to talk a lot, so let's get this going. Also, quick little, I guess, quirk and feature about this device is when you open up the lid while it's charging, you can actually see the charging status. So I did have to charge these. They were dead out of the gate when I got them in. So again, shout out to MOVO for sending these out. I'm going to charge them up, and then I'm going to get these turned on, and then we'll go ahead and do an audio sound. I'll do one outside just because it's probably a little bit windy, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so both transmitters were charged a little bit. It looks like they're okay, so I just want to let you guys know that they are working. So I'm going to actually talk into this one, and then we'll see if it's transmitting. Testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Testing audio 1 2 3. This is Mike from B-Tech Reviews, and again, nothing's connected to my to the phone so far. Whatever you're hearing is coming out of the direct microphone audio, but I'm going to go ahead and swap that up, and we're going to test this out. So let's get this going. All right, looks like we are connected here. Hopefully it's picking up the audio from the lavaliere mic. But guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews. I'm now standing about a good 5-6 feet away from the actual microphone, or from my phone, so you guys can kind of see me. So again, I'm right here. This is just a test, so just again, I'm outside. You can probably hear things out in the background maybe, but this is me testing out the MOVO WMX microphone system here. And again, you know, let's see how it sounds. Again, I'm gonna disconnect this. I'm gonna unplug the actual input from the microphone. I'm gonna keep that on here, but you guys are gonna be able to tell the difference right away. So as I'm walking, you guys can hear this. And again, shout out to MOVO. All right, so it's getting a little bit washed out here. So again, guys, this is no longer connected. I unplugged the lavaliere attachment from the microphone. So again, I'm gonna be talking about the same vocal tones that I was talking right now with it. So this is the microphone coming directly off the Pixel 6, the Pixel 5a. Links in the description down below, so you guys can check that out. But again, this is just me talking out normally. Let me know if you guys can hear the difference. Maybe, hopefully you can. If not, then you know, maybe the camera system is messed up. Maybe we'll see. But again, Mike from B-Tech Reviews. This is a testing 1 2 3. I'm walking closer, so you guys can kind of see how it's sounding a little bit differently now that I'm getting closer to the camera now. All right, guys, I'm back in my studio, or B-Tech Studios over here, and I do have this plugged in again because I do kind of like the way it sounds. So again, shout out to MOVO for sending this out, just so you guys can have a reference on how much this microphone system costs. It's $149, right? which I don't think is very bad in comparison to other brands like Rode and just, you know, other audio brands that are out there. If you want, I mean, if you're looking for something, I guess a little on the inexpensive side, I would definitely look at the MOVO brand, not just for lavaliere microphones, but podcasting equipment as well, webcam setup as well, etc. like that. So I'm actually going to go ahead and leave the description down for you guys again to check out this microphone. And again, I do have the microphone plugged into my smartphone. This will be compatible with any smartphone that has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack that will allow you to change the audio inputs when you're talking to the actual, I guess, or when you connect something like an external microphone, right? Luckily, I have the Pixel 5a that will do that for me. And again, guys, you don't need an expensive camera. You don't need an SLR camera. You know, I'm filming everything at home on my Pixel 5a. Shout out to Team Pixel, by the way. And again, I will post affiliate links down for you guys to check this out. Again, this was not really a tutorial video on how to set this up and whatnot. If you want a tutorial video on how to do that, you can actually check out the website, or they have videos on their website, or again, the instruction manual. So again, this is just a quick overview on the actual little device itself. Now, I'm not testing out the other little contraptions or the little wiring. Again, the only thing that it really comes with is that little sock that you can put on top, so that if it's windy outside, it won't sound super, like, I guess, you know, ugly out there. And again, it comes with an extension for a lavaliere microphone. And if you don't want to put this, if you don't want to have this here, you can actually clip it down to like your pants or waist, and you can actually connect like the wired little microphone to it, so that it'll just run off of this instead. But again, guys, Mike from BTech Review signing off. Again, big shout out to MOVO for sending this out. I want to give them a big shout out, because again, this is like maybe like, they've sent me a lot of items basically. And again, I know I'm not a big YouTuber, but I know for people that are trying to learn and get into stuff like this, you know, having equipment like this might help you down the road. Audio is very important when it comes to YouTube, so please consider that when you guys are becoming content creators, right? Audio is definitely a must on you know, making videos in general. So again, guys, Mike from BTech Review signing off. Big shout outs to channel members Latrell, Magic Tech Review, and Jeans. So shout outs to you guys. Shout out to all my other subscribers as well. We'll see you guys next time. Okay.